This video will create this bolt for our CrossHead assembly using Solidworks. Let's go ahead, take a new file, ensure that the units are set to MGS, and of course, as usual, let's go for the first sketch. First, we will be doing the sketch in the front plane, and now we have to create the cross section of this bolt. We will be creating only half of the cross section, which we will revolve to the complete bolt. So let's go ahead, start the line, straight up, move, and now we need to one by one start giving the dimensions. This is diameter, this one is width, this diameter. So for getting diameter options, we should create a center line. And with this center line, we will be able to give diameter dimensions. So you can see this side will get in radius, this side will get diameter is 44. And then this diameter is 28. So then the diameter, click on this line, click on the center line, then click on this side, click on it. This thickness is 22. Okay, press escape again, diameter is coming. This length is 22. The total length is 10. Next, we just need to show where the threading is ending. For that, we can just create a small rectangle here. Let's make the lines, these two, equal. So it's like this. And then put at a conveyor distance, that is 65. The dimension of this line, okay, is 65 distance. This one. Of course, let's give some small dimension. 1 or 2 mm should be enough. Okay, so that should be. So now this part we're going to revolve. So before feature, revolve. The line has been selected automatically. We need to select contour next. So click on the contour part and click here in the region. You can see that the screw is forming. This is how it will form. And we just need to provide chamfers on both ends of this to show that it is actually threaded. Chamfer, this end and this end. You need to take a very small chamfer, or that's so you can see now that these two are chamfered. We can assume that threading is present between these 2 points, and this is just plain. We just need a small snug on this side of 3 by 3. So let's go ahead, select this plane, go for sketch. It will not orient itself. You can orient it, or you can just go ahead with this and create a rectangle with one end of the circle. The other end also we want it to appear on the circle. So let us click on this point and drag it till circle is highlighted. So now when you change the size of this rectangle, it will appear like this. Let's make this length and this length equal. And of course, the dimension of these lengths we have to give us 3. So this we need to extrude again. The thickness of that is again going to be 3. Yes. Let's finally give a small fillet here of 5 or 6. So this is our bolt. Let's save it. Bolt in the same folder, that is CrossHead. This is a screw or bolt.